your subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. Cannot update app, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just go to the settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Also just turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the server, so just go to the general, just open software update and just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install these updates for your iPhone. And also you can try to restore your phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So this is the way how we can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.